Dugtong-dugtong mo.
Have mercy on the soul of Conrado.
My Jesus, by the crowning of thorns that pierced your sacred heart.
Have mercy on the soul of Conrado.
My Jesus, by your carrying of the cross on the path to Calvary.
Have mercy on the soul of
My
Conrado.
Jesus, by your loving face covered with blood, which you left imprinted on the veil of the light.
Have mercy on the soul of
My
Conrado.
Jesus, by your bloody garments, which were cruelly removed from your wounded body.
Have mercy on the soul of
My
Conrado.
Jesus, by your holy body nailed on the cross.
Have mercy on the soul of
My
Conrado.
Jesus, by your hands and feet pierced with cruel nails.
Have mercy on the soul of Conrado.
My Jesus, by your sacred side pierced to the lance, and from which flowed blood and water.
Have mercy on the soul of Conrado.
Litany for the departed soul. Lord,
Have mercy on the soul of Conrado.
Christ,
Have mercy on the soul of
God
Conrado.
the Father of heaven,
Have mercy on the soul of
God the
Conrado.
Son, Redeemer of the world,
Have mercy on the soul of Conrado.
God the Holy Spirit,
Have mercy on the soul of Conrado.
Holy Trinity, one God,
Have mercy on the soul of Conrado.
Holy Mary,
Pray for her.
Holy Virgin of Virgins,
Pray for her.
Queen of the Most Holy Rosary,
Pray for her.
Saint Michael,
Pray for her.
Saint Gabriel,
Pray for
Saint
her.
Raphael,
Pray for her.
all you holy angels and archangels,
Pray for her.
Saint John the Baptist,
Pray for her.
Saint Joseph,
Pray for her.
all you holy patriarchs and prophets.
Pray for her.
Final prayer. Let us say, we beseech you, Lord, to grant your infinite mercy unto your servant Conrado Flores. That this heavy intention left your will, she may not suffer in requital or of his offered gift, but that